Alrighty, man, here's the 347 small block Ford gear this combination. It has got a set of our CNC cylinder heads on it. We got your oil pan on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. You just got a manifold carburetor distributor to run. You got your own induction and stuff. So we'll go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 386 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 443, peak horsepower 493, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good, clean. Show you a couple things here. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have an engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, and that'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.